First, we have to find the domain of this function. When we have to find the domain, it means we have to find all possible values of x for which this function is defined. Let's see what we have here. We have square root in denominator. We know that we can calculate square root only for positive numbers or 0. But because the square root is in denominator and denominator never can be 0, so whatever is under the square root must be greater than 0. So we have 5 minus x must be greater than 0. So we have to solve this inequality. I will move negative x to the right side. So we have 5 is greater than x. Let me change the side. X is smaller than 5. This is our domain. Let's draw number line. X. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have sign x is less than 5. It means 5 is excluded. And this number must be smaller. It means go to left side to negative infinity. So we have interval from negative infinity to 5. This is our domain. Now we have to find the range. When we have to find the range, it means we have to find all possible values of y. In numerator, on the right side, we have positive constant number 2. On denominator, we have square root. The value of square root is always positive. So, on the right side, we have positive number divided by positive. It means we always get here positive numbers. So, y is greater than 0. We can draw number line 0 and y is greater than 0. It means going to positive infinity. And we have number greater than 0, so 0 is not included. Have interval from 0 to positive infinity. This is our range.